Hi friends, I am so happy to have you here today. We are making fragrant baked eggplants with tomatoes and cheese. Place 2 wooden sticks next to the eggplant so you do not cut all the way through. Slice the eggplant into medium rings. I just love eggplant in any form. With the air fryer, it is much easier and quicker to make. Let's grab the second eggplant, and do not forget the sticks. I hope you enjoy this simple recipe and make it often. Pour some olive oil into a small bowl. Add a couple of pinches of salt. Then comes some smoked paprika. And just a touch of cumin. Feel free to add any spices you like. Give the lemon a gentle roll that helps release more juice. Now squeeze in the juice of a lemon. I love that bold lemon flavor, so I use both halves. Give it a good mix. The smell is wonderful. Drizzle the spiced oil all over the eggplants. Make sure every slice is coated. This will cover both eggplants easy. Now place them into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 minutes. While that bakes, let's slice the mozzarella. We will need about 250 grams. Thin slices are best here. Larger pieces of mozzarella are easier to work with. Now let's move on to the tomatoes and slice them up. We are using 2 medium-sized tomatoes today. We want nice, even slices. Thin ones work beautifully here. Take your time with this step. It is simple and kind of relaxing. The thinner the slices, the easier they will layer later on. Eggplant, tomato, and cheese, such a cozy classic. Our eggplants are baked. Perfect timing. Let's tuck mozzarella slices between each ring. Eggplant and cheese, one of my all-time favorite pairings. Be sure to add cheese to every little gap. That way it turns out super juicy. Now place a slice of tomato next to the cheese. Keep going, it is looking so pretty. Take your time here. Every little piece adds to the final beauty. A bit delicate, but we are doing great. What a beautiful dish already. The colors, the layers, it is all coming together so nicely. Time for the second bake into the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for another 10 minutes. While that cooks, let's prep aside, slice up a bell pepper. So tasty and full of color. Cut it however you like. I prefer long strips. Tell me in the comments what you love cooking at home. I will pick recipes based on your favorite veggies. This pepper smells amazing. I want to taste it already. Next up, mushrooms. I used white button mushrooms, but any kind will do. Cut them into medium pieces or just in half. Mushrooms in the air fryer? Always a great idea. Now, let's slice the red onion. No red one on hand? Any kind will do. These colors are just gorgeous. Add the chopped veggies into a baking dish with parchment. Start with the pepper, then the mushrooms. Then add the onion. And finally, 200 grams of cooked chickpeas. Canned chickpeas work just fine too. Season with salt. Add some dried oregano or any spices you love. Drizzle with olive oil. Give it a gentle mix. What an irresistible aroma! This will be such a beautiful side dish, colorful and full of flavor. Wow, just look at that. Time to bake the veggie side into the air fryer. Let us begin. Set to 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Now for the final touch, grab 50 grams of parsley. Chop it up finely. You can use any fresh herbs you like. The vegetables are baked. Time to take them out. Toss in the chopped parsley. I wish you could smell this. So appetizing. Add a little garlic to finish. Grate it finely. 2 cloves are enough. Mix everything together. I cannot wait. I want to try it right now. Plate the roasted veggies with chickpeas. So much goodness in one bowl. I love it when food is tasty and nourishing. Just look at all these colors and textures. It is a plate full of comfort. Let's add the baked eggplant. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Share this comforting recipe with your friends. See you in the next video. Take care and all the best.